YouTube do, that's what Instagram do, that's what Facebook do. I think if TikTok do that, all of this nonsense will blood clot stop. Because you see the actual place where you have to work for money and create content and do things like that, you don't see nobody out there do over there. So make it make sense. If you don't see nobody a drop on YouTube, you don't see nobody a drop on Instagram, you don't see nobody a drop on Facebook, people still use these places, you know. Facebook have the whole heap of people who use it. Instagram have the whole heap of people who use it. YouTube. But what is... Yo, me no know. Me don't know what the problem. Me don't know what the problem. Because every minute you look at one more gone, one more gone, one more gone. And you have to say, John, know that. Oh, nobody not drop on YouTube. Oh, nobody not drop on Facebook. They begging. The constant blood clot naked. You know? And then the people them want to dash them when just a look upon them like so them and nobody more than just some beggar them where they just sit down and beg all day upon the internet, so they rather come flash them out like one tin of mackerel and take with some money or even just a dim your light, just a fling you down the ground. You see me? I feel you know, bro, cause when you look upon it, dog, I just be a TikTok and dead father. Yo, hey, I never see a upkill people so hey, I'm not laughing at the situation, you know, but just a laugh after Uno I say TikTok no curse. What you mean? TikTok been cursed. And the curse is placed for land. You mad man? You know how much other streaming platform there is and no one is dropping. There's many streaming, but at the constant begging. Look at the youth in front of the whole line people them play. All the youth them play with a sight, you know. He must sight your fuck. Because what? What? Bro, like, you don't understand what happened this a while ago. Not only is this brawling there, the man actually did one streaming site where everybody has seen it, and the man no business. The man walk up and the man tough about 30, but mighty God. I saw me a year saw Jamaica's son. What? Me say when your blood no run cold like coffee me run cold. Me say my blood run like a freezer it a come out of bro. Me never witness nothing like that in my life. Me don't know if you witness it or you witness it, but me tell them about the people are the hap. Most of them same people where you see, they on the rest of app them. This app is cursed. This is the only app where it just a happen pan. They must take out Jamaica's son. We not confirm if a Jamaica's son fit true, but people are say, yo, a Jamaica's son. Mommy, everybody where you see have one profile on TikTok, have profile other places, but over here say you get it. Over here curse. Me say me watch it like me didn't have to watch it so much time because me literally can't believe it. What the fuck? Like what? Me couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. Bumbleclot. Me said the man walk up. Effortless. Me said the way the man walk up in the people. This and me not. Bro, the way the man walk up people. You have to see the video for yourself. The man walk up and do him do like it was nothing. Me blood clot. God bless. Me said that the man they will walk up. They need to catch him. Police need him. That the man the response more that way you can think of. Me blood clot. Good morning, boo boo. Me say the man walk up. Walk up. Me say the man did a rock. People are like me, I tell. Me say the man a rock and I enjoy the beat. The man and he must say to the people, him say, yeah man. Like him would and I say, yeah. Yeah man, a Sterling a play the music, man. You don't know if he think already. There's a whole of vibes. And he must say, my side, more on the sniper of this for me. And me say the man walk up right back at him. Me say people, the man do it like it was nothing. The man do it like it was nothing. Him man in a that broke a sweat. Him no blow hard. Him nothing at all. The man just ease up the hand like I saw work. Me see the man ease up the hand like a this. And he goes a the first one he goes a bluff. Up in a top it go. And the man drop a ground. And he goes a bluff again. Me couldn't believe it a blood clot. Me couldn't believe that me a witness that in front of my eye. Me can't believe that somebody have the art like that. If you come right this in front of so much people to see a man pan live and do that. I swear to God. That the man they will walk up even have no heart. That the man they will walk up back at the man and do the man they have vibes. Me I tell us I look at music. The man a play. And him a tell them, say, yo, yeah man, a father play music, well, how you know? Blood clot. Me say the man walk up back at him like it was nothing. The man walk up back, you don't think say man a come sell banana chips, or him a sell sweetie, or him a go sell some. Me blood clot. The man just walk up. You can see say something did in my hand already. Wham. Me know, sir. Jesus Christ. People, let me tell you something. You see some of the things that we witness even upon them up here and stuff, it have a lot to do with mental health and with depression and anxiety and them things there, you know. Yeah, and them something, bro, like, not even just the people who dep on TikTok, even you as a regular person, you know what I mean? Like, you will look at it and you will be like, Jano dog, that shit is too easy. No, when we listen to the news and we hear how man just spread out of the blood clot, man, a grum like a tarpaulin. You see me? You realize, oh, when you see it with your 1 or 2 eye, then you'll be like, okay, I saw this go. And then, okay. No, sir. R.I.P. to the youth, though. And condolence to him entire family, you know what I mean? Like, me, yes, say, a Jamaica's son, you know, R.I.P. to the young man. Condolence to him mother and him father and him other sibling them, you know? Every family member, you understand me? You know, so they probably have got you a really tough time right now, cause, you know? But, yeah, I go say, me understand what you say, should I have 2 dogs and watch him back. But, somebody tell you, in a nothing, so it's just like, you wouldn't need 2 dogs to come save you. If you get to me, I say, bro, man and man are going to just be where they at.